Hi, and welcome to another video by Jim the Car Guy. Today we have a 2006 Honda CRV, and I'm going to show you how to replace the air filter and also the cabin filter. Alright, it's a fairly simple job. You just need a couple of tools to do it. So let me show you what tools you're going to need, and then we're going to get in there and we're going to get this job done. This is pretty much all you're going to need to do it. A pair of pliers, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a small 1/4-inch ratchet with a 8mm socket to open up the air cleaner itself to gain access to the filter. Alright, so let me bring you in now. I'm going to show you where it is and we'll get started. Okay, this is where our air filter is located. It's underneath here, and basically what we're going to do is we're going to take off that clamp right there. We're going to take the clamp off, slide it back over to here. We're going to remove the air snorkel where the air comes into the filter itself. We're going to take this out here and just pull it back slightly, and then we're going to remove all of these little bolts you see inside here. Sometimes you can get in there with a Phillips head, sometimes you can't. Usually they're pretty tight, so that's why I use a socket, and this is probably about 6 or 8 of them all the way around, just like that. Alright, so you know what, let's do this while you're standing right here with me. First thing we'll do is we'll get in here with a pair of pliers, get on here, just take that clamp, slide it back just like that. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to come down in here. We're going to loosen up this clamp right here. It doesn't have to be taken off totally, you just want to loosen it up, just like that. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to come in here with our ratchet, and we'll take out these bolts down in here. They don't totally come out, they just loosen up and they stay inside the housing itself. Alright. Okay, so now everything is loose, and it should be loose. I'm going to need 2 hands to do this, so I'm going to set you up, and then we'll pull that out. Okay, so as you can see, changing the air filter is a fairly easy job. Just when you screw those 5 or 6 8mm bolts back down, you're just going to make them snug. Don't tighten them too tight because you don't want to break that housing there. So that you want to do. And when you put that clamp back over where that side little 1-inch tube connects back onto, make sure the hose clamp goes back into the same location where it was previously removed from. The air snorkel is tight, and that's it. You're all done. All right, so our air filter is now finished. We're going to go inside the vehicle and we're going to change the 2 cabin filters that are located up behind the glove box. So let's pull the glove box down and let's get started. Okay, welcome back. So now I'm going to show you how to install these 2 cabin filters. This particular car has 2. Some cars have just 1. But the filter is actually inside behind the glove compartment. So let's open it up and let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we do is we pull the glove box open like this, and on the side right over here, you see these little tabs right here? These little tabs, you just pull them out with your finger, just like that. You lift the glove box up slightly, and you pull them out just like this. That's what they look like. Okay, so we're going to put that down. We're going to do the exact same thing on this side over here. Maybe? Okay. Alright, next thing we're going to do now is we're going to go into this other tab right here. Just put your finger behind it like this. Again, you lift the glove box up and you pull it, and it comes out just like that. We're going to let the glove box open up, just like this. And then we're going to come up underneath here. Let's see if we can get a light in here so you can see what I'm doing. And this is where your filter is located, right up inside here. What we do is you come over here, right here, and you push that little tab right there in. And you take that cover off. Now you see that corner right there? You see how that corner goes back into that little cover just like that? You know, it has to go back in just like that in order for it to lock in. So let's put that down. Let's take this filter here, pull it up this way, and we'll pull it out. Gonna have to slight angle down to get it to come out. Now remember how these tabs came out. This one is towards the right side. We'll put that there for a second. And this one, as you can see this one right here? We're just going to pull it this way, get it out this way, and this one is to the left side. So we're going to just take this way. Same thing. Slight angle down. And we'll pull it out. Don't force it. You don't want to break anything. And as you can see, there's a lot of stuff inside these filters. There. And there. Alright, so that's the way they're going to go back in with these 2 tabs facing each other just like that, but you can see all the debris inside there. Alright, next thing we're going to do now is we're going to take out this filter. You just grab them, you pull it out. The plastic you're going to reuse, the filter obviously is going to be trash. Tough to do one-handed, but take that there. Do the exact same thing right here. Okay. Take that filter out. Now what you want to do as well at this time is you want to look and see where your arrows are. You see how your arrow is facing down? That's the way you need to put it back in. Arrows facing down. Alright, so we're going to take our new filter now. We're going to look around. And as you can see, there's our arrow facing down. So this filter goes in here. Push it down. The exact same thing on this one here. Check our airflow. It's down. We're going to take it, put it in just like this, and that's it. These can go off to the side for now. And remember, this one was our left one, and this one was the right one. Okay? So we're going to take it now. We're going to slide it back up where it came out of. One is left and one is right, of course. Slide over like that. Going to do the same thing with the other one. Put it in. You may have a little bit of a tight squeeze going in. Push it in, like that. And then we're going to take our cover that we previously took off, hook it in here just like this, push this down and lock it in place. Filters in. And we just take our glove compartment, lift it back up, just like that. Take our piece like this, put it in. Like that, push it in, and lock it in place, just like that. Same thing on this one here. We're going to put it in here like this. Just lift your box up just a little bit. Slide it in. That's it. Take the junk out of here. Close it up. And that's it. We're all done. Okay, so as you can see, changing your cabin filters is a fairly easy job that just about anybody can do. No tools required, just using your hands and you can get it done. By changing the filters, you're going to increase the airflow through the air conditioner or the heating system, so you wind up everything working a little more efficiently. But that's it, we're all done. All right, so we're going to wrap this job up and then on to the next one. All right, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.